Did you know that 78% of American families don't have a written budget? If that's you, this video is for you. Here's a fact that should make you stop scrolling. The average family loses more than $1,800 every single year. Not because of bad luck, but because they have no system for their money. Not because they don't earn enough, and not because they don't try. It's because no one ever showed them which budgeting system actually fits their life. Today, I'm going to show you for real budgeting systems. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which one is right for your family. System number 1 is the 50-30-20 rule. This is one of the most recommended methods for beginners. You just take your take-home pay and divide it into 3 parts. 50% goes to needs like rent, groceries, and utilities. 30% goes to wants like dining out, subscriptions, and entertainment. And the last 20% goes straight to savings and debt repayment. Now let me show you what that looks like on a real family income. System number 2 is zero-based budgeting. This is one of the strongest systems for families trying to get out of debt quickly. The idea is simple. Your income minus your expenses should equal 0. Every single dollar gets a job before the month starts. Nothing is left unassigned. This works because you make decisions before the month begins, not in the heat of the moment when emotions can take over. System number 3 is the cash envelope system. And yes, even today, it still works. Research shows that people spend 15 to 20% less when they use cash instead of cards. Why? Because physical cash makes spending feel real. You just label envelopes for categories like groceries, gas, and fun, put the budgeted amount inside, and when an envelope is empty, you're done spending in that category for the month. System number 4 is to pay yourself first. This is one of the simplest systems and it's used by many wealthy people. The moment your paycheck arrives, you automatically move a set amount into savings or investments. You do this before paying any other bills. Most people save what's left over. This system saves first and lets you spend what remains. That simple shift can change everything. So which system is right for you? If you're just starting and want simplicity, start with 50-30-20. If you want to destroy debt fast, choose zero-based budgeting. If you overspend with cards, try the cash envelope system. And if you handle expenses well but struggle to save, use pay yourself first. You don't need all 4. You just need one system you can stick with for 90 days. Here's your action for today. Choose one system from this video, write it down, and then leave a comment telling me which one you're starting with and why. Subscribe to Family Finance with Daniel for more practical family finance videos. And next, watch the cash flow video to build your family's money plan from scratch. Thanks for watching.